hello there guys, it's Sam again here with another video review. Today I have in my hands the latest Xiaomi gimbal for the mid-drone 4K camera. This one I got it from Gearbest for around 60 euros. It was in pre-order, so it just came home after almost 30 days of waiting. Well, this is the box. Outside you can see much. The name of it is FIMI X1BH. So it is actually a power bank with some controls on it that you can control the Xiaomi mid-drone 4K camera. So outside the box you can see some info on the back in Chinese again. It has a 5000 milliamps built-in battery. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So first we have the gimbal and some info about the product. So this is the manual in English. It uses the same application that you use for your mid-drone control. So this is the actual product. On the top we have a little cap to protect the circuit on the top. Next we have a little lock button over here to lock the position of the gimbal. In the front we have a little microphone hole. Down below we have the LED status for the gimbal. So if it is recording, it is red flashing. If you connect it, it will have a green light over here. So over here we have a tripod screw hole. Also we have the same hole on the bottom with a little cover. Also we have 4-way joystick. Next we have the photo mode button, the record button that actually acts also as a power on off button. Over here we have 4 LEDs that shows the battery indicator, so it has 25% each LED light. Here we have the little logo of the company. Over here you use a micro USB charging port. On the back we have a 3.5mm jack for external microphone. Over here we have a little switch for the exposure of the camera, and we have a little trigger switch to change the modes of the gimbal. This one is a silicone anti-slip plastic, and that's all I guess for the product. So let's connect the gimbal and see how it works. So it's now locked in position, as you can see over here. So let's power on the device by holding this button. You can see it's now turned on. You can also hear the fan from the gimbal. It is now turned on. They have some different modes for the gimbal. When you hold it like that, it will automatically switch into flashlight mode. This is how they call it. Let's connect it with our smartphone. So let me screw it into place to see how it looks like with a tripod mounted. Well, this is not a tripod, this is a little car mount, a little wheel mount. So it's now connected. Of course, download the mid-drone application. I have already downloaded. Next we can see it will appear the mid-drone or the gimbal in order to choose what do you want to connect it with. So over here you can see the mid-drone, and here we have the gimbal. So we push next. It will connect via Wi-Fi. You can see over here the password. So it will appear just like this one over here. This is the name of it. It will ask us for the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's now connected, and you can see over here it's checking the connection between the smartphone and the gimbal. So it's now finished, and you can see what the actual gimbal sees. Of course, we can change the exposure as we said by switching this one over here. Has finished recording, and here we can also check the recorded media over here. You can download it and see it on the smartphone. You can also remotely take videos or pictures, change it to video or photo. Over here we have some more settings. You can see the camera settings. What do you want to change? Also you can see over here the 4-way joystick settings to change, and the account over here. So I figured out I had to make a little mount for the smartphone. This is a Mi Mix 2. So the easy solution I came with was, let me show you, I just bought this one and a little smartphone holder. So we can put over here or on the back, on the bottom. Just screw it in place. And you can either put your smartphone like that or change it into portrait by just screwing on the back of the holder over here. And changing into this position over here. Also a little mode that you can hold the trigger and the switch to take photos. So if you want to lock the buttons, you just press for 3 seconds the power, the trigger and the photo mode. So it's now locked. As you can see over here on the top, we can see that it is locked in position, so you can't accidentally push any of the buttons. Again, if you want to remove this mode, you press the same buttons again, and it's now free to roll. So that was my little demonstration on the FIMI gimbal for the mid-drone camera. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Also subscribe if you already haven't in my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye.